my sister, Sammy. Hi guys. Did you watch my previous video on literary devices, metaphors and similes? Well, today I have two more for you. An allusion is a passing reference in literature. It simply involves making a reference to a person or another event in a story. It's a fun type of literary device that keeps writing from getting bland or boring. So here are some examples. 1. It was like I was in the Garden of Eden. That's a biblical allusion. 2. I want to talk like Queen Bee, Beyonce. 3. If I'm not home by midnight, my car might turn into a pumpkin, Cinderella. I've just made 3 references through the Bible, a person, and a story. See you next